Alright, I'm about to show you crusty crackers how to make an old fashioned. Need some whiskey, any kind of whiskey. This shit's $11. It's been around since the 1800s. It don't give you a hangover, it's good shit. Need some maraschino cherries, and some orange bitters, and some ice if you want. I'm gonna put a cherry in a glass. You want to smash it up. You don't smash it up, you ain't gonna taste it.
It's called muddle.
If you want, you can put some of this juice in there. They need 3 dashes orange bitters. 1, 2, 3. 2 ounces of whiskey. Any kind of whiskey. You could use more if you like it. That's about 3 ounces. Couple ice cubes. Stir that shit up. It's good shit. Fuck your mama, bitch.